Today we're going to remove a battery from a 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee, but it's not located in the engine bay. It's actually located behind the passenger seat. Remove this carpet from here, and that exposes our lid for our battery. Just pull up, go from the rear and pop it, and do the same thing to the other side. Alright, and there it is. And that exposes our battery. We'll just move that over to the side. What I did was lift the chair all the way up and scoot it all the way forward. That way we have as much room as possible. Oh, nice, a cookie. So for this one, what we're first going to do is let's go ahead and disconnect this one here. We're going to remove the negative, then the positive terminal. Alright, this one's going to be a size 10 millimeter. Let's go ahead and loosen this up. And once you have it loosened up, let's go ahead and bring that out and stick it over to the side. Let's go ahead and loosen up the positive terminal as well. Alright, now that we have that nice and loose, we'll go ahead and loosen up this bracket here. So kind of a mess down here. There is two 13 millimeter nuts down there that we have to remove. We're going to use an extension and the 13. Put that sucker there, and we'll go ahead and drive those out. Alright, and just remove these and put them in a nice safe location right there. Then we'll go ahead and remove this bracket from underneath it. There it goes. And we'll just set that over to the side. That frees up this battery. Oh gosh, it's stuck in there. Like from all the soda and shit. Now we'll be able to loosen up this positive terminal and get it out. Alright, there it is. And battery is able to come out now. So let's go ahead and get it out. I think it's easiest to try to pick it up like this. And then you're obviously going to need both hands. Alright, and there we have it. Battery is out. There it is. Perfect time to clean all that mess up. And we are set. Sweet. And that is how you remove a battery from a 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.